My boy. Oh, this for Thursday. Okay, this for Thursday. Thursday, October 17th. Yup. Let's see what we looking at right now. Right, boom. On my charts, I always mark out when you see purple on my chart, it's always liquidity, and then these like the dash lines is key levels that I just made, but the black ones be key levels that been made on some shit. So like this been here, but I just put this dash one here. You know what I'm saying? So boom, on the 17th, like exactly at midnight, 0000, we got this shot up, right? Boom. We got this shot up all the way until like 8 o'clock candle. So the market opened at 8:30, and that's it's really the smartest to start trading after that. So I don't never really get on the chart exactly at 8:30 because like this is the first candle that mattered to me, like the first candle that I can do something with because that's when the U.S. market opened. This is the 8:30 candle, right? This is the open candle. So this crept all the way up here through what is that, Asia? I think Asia's before. This crept up here all the way through the AMs, and exactly as soon as the U.S. market opened, whew, that bit dropped, right? So my first initial thought, because if we zoom out, we still got this level of liquidity down here, and we still got all these orders to fill. It's nothing on the other side of this, right? You want to see, for every up candle, you see a down candle eventually, you know. So, but there's nothing right here at all. This is just open space. So I'm expecting it to go back, and there's liquidity right here. So I think it was on like this candle right here when I seen it go down, and I seen it come up right here a little bit. I got in right there, but I got in the wrong way because I was expecting it to keep going down. So I got in right here, and I moved my stop loss up a little bit to this level, and then my take profit was all the way at this liquidity. But like obviously as you can see, literally the very next candle, like literally the very next candle took me out. Oh, damn, what you got going? But yeah, literally the very next candle took me out. So clearly I was wrong, and I was just gonna take that L. But I was like, nah, let me just keep on watching because it just looked like a perfect setup to me. It looked like the perfect retrace a little bit for it to continue down, but that's just not what happened. And then when I like really zoomed it out in my head, this whole move down needs like a bigger retrace because this is a fair value gap right here. If we zoom out, like this space right here, it wasn't touched left or right. So price gonna have to come back in here regardless before it continued down. And I just wasn't paying attention to it like that. And then on top of that, this level that I had right here, like for this little retrace, this little boop, and then move back up. I marked that off. On top of that, as I'm thinking that this candle, it come down and it touched this and it don't stay here, like it keep on doing this move, and then it moved back. So when it moved back, I got in right here, and my stop loss just wasn't that much under this level because I could see it wasn't gonna go under it, and then I took my take profit into this fair value gap because I knew the price had to get in there. So that was the move that got me that money back because I lost 515 on the first trade. Let me show y'all. I lost 515 on the first trade, but then I got it back with this little 2,000 something on the second trade because of like taking time and really zooming out in my brain and seeing what was really on the chart. Yeah, that's it for this breakdown. Uh, y'all can like DM me, ask me questions and shit like that if y'all got any questions in here too, or just put it in the general channel. But yeah, that's it. Catch y'all, boy. Let's get money.